Remember, it is a conspiracy count to which he's pled guilty. So, well, you got to have a conspiracy with somebody, somewhere. Something had to have happened.
Right, but and yes, the judge, by the way, did know. This is one of our questions. Did know that the plea was being accepted. Remind you, by the way, that the plea was to drug charges that he had pled guilty. That he had pled guilty to previously.
Yeah, one was in June and one was in October. I think both in 2022. I think, but yeah, they were effectively already adjudicated.
Right.
And so really it was a matter of figuring out what the penalty was going to be.
Mr. Harvey, great attorney there, made it sure he's only accepting the 2 drug charges.
That's right.
And we're going to talk about that because
let's get
there
into
was a
that.
little bit. So, Michael,
let's get into that. And the first thing that I want to show is Miss Hilton. Again, remember what she's trying to do here. This is illustrative for many reasons. It gives you kind of a very tight version of their story. But specifically, as it relates to this plea agreement and this hearing, listen to what she's trying to cram in to this plea agreement that may or may not have anything to do with what this defendant is agreeing to. You know, be careful what you wish for. I think this worked out much better for their client.
Yeah.
Okay, so one last clip. Next? This is basically his attorney, Mr. Harvey, saying, "Whoa, hold on. Interesting storytelling, very interesting, but not related to what we're doing here." So this is so smart for this guy to, he's doing his job. He's a good lawyer. And his job is to make sure the record is clear as to what they're acknowledging, what they are pleading guilty to, and most importantly, what they're not pleading guilty to.
Well, that's what the language of the statute says, but yes, he is indicted in this indictment with conspiring, not with endeavoring.
That's correct. So we're talking about a conspiracy.